Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse, your home for the best and smartest tech that actually makes everyday life easier. Today, we're checking out one of the most advanced cleaning robots ever built, the iRobot Roomba 1042 2-in-1 vacuum and mop robot. If you thought robot vacuums couldn't get any smarter, think again. The Roomba 104 is a true hybrid. It vacuums and mops simultaneously, giving your floors a spotless finish with zero effort on your part. Whether you have hardwood, tiles, or carpets, this robot automatically adjusts to every surface. At its core is iRobot's intense powerlifting suction, which provides up to 10 times more suction than standard Roomba models. That means pet hair, dust, and even embedded dirt are gone in seconds. Combine that with its precision mopping system, and you've got a complete floor care solution that works quietly and efficiently. One of its most impressive features is the self-emptying base, capable of holding up to 75 days of dirt and debris. So you can literally forget about vacuuming or emptying for months. The base automatically seals dust into a disposable bag, making it perfect for allergy-sensitive homes. Now let's talk brains. The LiDAR Smart Navigation and Mapping system scans your home in real time, creating accurate maps and identifying obstacles with precision. It navigates intelligently in neat, efficient rows, ensuring no spot is left behind. You can even set custom cleaning zones, no-go areas, or targeted rooms through the iRobot app or voice commands using Alexa or Google Assistant. The mop function intelligently controls water flow, ensuring just the right moisture for each surface, no soggy floors, no streaks. And because it's iRobot, the cleaning pattern is optimized to deliver professional results without repeating areas unnecessarily. What makes the Roomba 104 truly stand out is how it blends automation, power, and convenience. You get deep cleaning, smart control, and a truly hands-free experience that redefines home maintenance. So if you want to spend less time cleaning and more time living, the iRobot Roomba 104 2-in-1 vacuum and mop robot is worth every cent. Buy yours now on Amazon, link in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a Gadgetverse review.